my cousin Brandon. This is a snake that's already dead. That's my grandma. That's my cousin's mom. That's Rocky, the dog.
You're making a video.
And that's Nisha. And that's my mom. Again, that's me.
Look, Yo-Yo.
And that's my grandpa. And that's my cousin's nicer room. Well, she really likes Justin Bieber. That I like Justin Bieber. And that's the pony. Oh! That hurt! Mm. Yum, I licked my finger. And that's my cousin's pictures. That's my socks.
Never mind.
Picture. Well, that was it. Bye.